Chiefs Australia stocks a range of handheld sprayers and foamers for the application of specialist cleaners and foam on soaps. The Ergo sprayer is perfect for applying super degreaser or annihilator to tricky to reach areas. The weighted flexible suction tube allows spraying at all angles, including completely upside down. The Viton seals are hydraulic, chemical and acid resistant too. The same manufacturer, Maralex, produces the handy Axle 2000 foamer, which is available in a 2 litre capacity. Chiefs foam on soaps can be applied without the use of high pressure, allowing discrete areas to be cleaned without soap or degreaser spraying onto polished aluminium, for example. The Axle 2000 comes with 3 nozzles for varying the foam density, which can be stored in the foamer itself. The IK range includes 3 sizes of sprayer plus a backpack option. The handheld sprayers are available in a 1, 6 and 8 litre working capacity, while the IK 12BS backpack has a huge 12 litre capacity. The IK range of sprayers have acid resistant Viton seals. IK also offers the IK9 foam for targeted application of foam and a significantly larger working capacity than the Axle 2000.